Hello there, YouTube. Escargo80 here, coming back at you with an unboxing video, a vinyl unboxing video. Actually, this time it's not gonna be any comic related subject. I just received this massive package from UK, and like a couple of months ago, August was the 20th anniversary of Kylie Minogue's Fever album. You know, when it made like 5 million sold out copies all around the world. So I got myself this beautiful um, 20th anniversary album, and it's still in factory sealed condition. This is the Warner Home Music Australia edition. Yeah. So since I got that one, I decided to get this one. So I'll do a very quick unboxing video, so please bear with me. This looks very easy. I think it's gonna be way easier than comic books. And here's my like 15 years old Kylie shirt. 15, is it really? It's from 2007 if I'm not mistaken. This is the Kylie Minogue. This album released in 2018. It's the Golden album, and this is the Super Deluxe edition. I just recently say, why not? I've been a huge Kylie fan since day one, so since as long as I know myself. So I said, why not try to collect her rare records and vinyls. Perfect packing. This one is from Wayne. Huge shout out to him. There's a Facebook group, and he did an excellent packing. Just give me 1 second, please. All right, we are back. I'm just opening it for the first time. So here is the new Super Deluxe edition of Kylie's Golden album. It's still in factory sealed condition. It comes with a CD, 4 bonus tracks, 30-page book download, 30-page book, and a download card. Yeah, this is how it is. And you can see this is the back. It's in pristine condition. So thank you, Wayne. I'm not going to unbox it right now, but there's one other thing he sent me, and it is this hand signed Kylie print. It's in almost comic book format, and it's beautiful. There's hand signed Kylie print. This is from actually the disco album. The Kylie store released this with some limited vinyls, and he was kind enough to throw this in. So yeah, huge shout out to Wayne, and also huge shout out to David again for this beautiful Fever 20th anniversary album. I'm not gonna unbox these right now. I'm sorry. I'm a freak. I'm like this. I'm gonna keep them sealed for a while, and after a while, I'm going to unbox it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Cheers. So very quickly, I placed my signed print into an IKEA frame, and it just looks great. Wow. Thanks so much, Wayne. You're the man. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you guys soon.